Okay, so this next assignment, basically I want you to do, so the last project is officially done, and we're going to start the next one. And basically what I want you to do is create a multi-page site. We're going to develop it based on an interest of yours. So that could be something like, something you just generally like I like to play video games, or you like to, like whatever your major is, or an occupation or hobby or whatever, public service announcement. It just needs to have some sort of subject matter. That's honestly not as important, but I would just say generally an interest of yours would probably be a good one. Like maybe you really like dogs or something. So you're going to make a responsive web page, but this is going to be based off of the Bootstrap grid. Before you actually start making that site, what I want you to do is make something that looks basically like this. You're going to make a wireframe, all right? So to do that wireframe, what you're going to want to do, you're going to be graded on, utilizing the grid template, putting in your mock content, so, just mock content, mock images and mock text, that you develop a color scheme. So you see here I have these 3 colors. And I have 2 fonts, and the general overall look. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to want to download the grid template here. So you click on this, and you click on the big old download button, and I will save that, and then I will open it, and I will extract, and okay, and then so you're going to download, you're going to do that, and then you'll see there's this thing called templates. So you open that up, and then I don't care what program you do it in. I would generally suggest Photoshop, but there's a Photoshop template, and you want to open up the one that says the 12 columns. So I'm just going to go ahead and open that up, and basically it looks like this, and you are going to make your mock your wireframe in here. So basically what you want your site to look like, but you're going to make it as a picture utilizing this template. All right. If you look, not that, where are you? Here we go. If you look here, I have a tutorial video on basically how to go about making it. So you just follow that, but you should just end up with basically a picture of what your site will be, and you can see that each one of these elements fit within this within these columns. Okay, so that is the idea. All right, so good luck.